In a class of 60 students, 30 opted for NCC and 32 opted for NSS. 24 opted for both. Both means what? Union or intersection? Yes, intersection, right? If one of these students is selected at random, find the probability that the student opted for NCC or NSS. Okay, let's think of this. Let's look at the other question later. First thing is we have two groups. People who opted for NCC and NSS. Now, whenever you want to fill any Venn diagram, it's optimal for us to start off with the middle region. So, people opting for NCC and NSS will be over here, and that is 24. 30 opted for NCC, so this would be 30. And where is it? 24 opted for, not 24, 32 opted for NSS, right? Wrong, because 24 people are already been represented over here. They're standing over here. So the 6 people will stand over here. Here, the 8 people who are not part of this group will stand over here. As a whole, 30 people will raise their hand when we call out for NCC. As a whole, 32 people will raise their hand when we call out for NSS. Right? So 24, 30, 38. So the remaining people who have not part of any of this is 28, right? Wait, what did I tell? This is 30, 38. So 38, 40, 22. Because there are 60 people, right? So this has to be 22. Now, to figure out any kind of probability and all of that, we need to know the numbers. So we actually found it, but we need to write it and show it. So we have been given the following. The number of people who are in NCC is 30. Number of people who are in NSS is 32. Number of people who are in NCC and NSS, not or and, is 24. And the total number of people is 60. Right? Then what else? Okay, so for or, we need to start off with, for the first question, we need to start off with number of people in NCC or in NSS. So union. It's a simple straightforward formula. Minus this would be intersection. Okay, so this would be 30 plus 32 minus 24. And so this would be how much? So overall there are 30, okay, 6, 38. Oh yeah, we already did this. 28 people. Now, so same question actually. Probability that we are student this or that, opting for person who is this or that, would be probability that, or not probability, sorry, number of people from NCC and NSS and the total number of people in the class. So that is 38 by 60. 38 by 60. So this is 19, right? 19 by 30. Okay, next, student has opted neither NCC nor NSS. Since we have found this, finding this won't be difficult. Actually, we have the answer already, but we will directly find the probability. Let's not go through finding the number of people, so on and so forth, because it'll just waste our time. So we are looking at second question. Probability that it's neither this or that, and that actually. So that is nothing but 1 minus probability that we will choose NCC and NSS. So this would be, oh, the answer is over here, 1 minus 19 by 30 So 30 minus 19, it will be 11. 11 by 30. Make sense? Then the student has opted NSS but not NCC. NSS but not NCC. So there are 8 people. We need to show that though. So third question, number of people who opted for NSS, right? But not NCC. Okay, so that would be number of people who are in NSS minus number of people who are in NCC and NSS. So basically this is 32 minus 24, which is 8. The same number we have to write and show. So probability that we have a person who is in such a scenario would be 8 by 60. So that would be not 2, sorry. Yeah, so this would be 4 by 30, 2 by 15. Oh yeah. Okay, so that would be your answer.